But when the rain is so hard, that means that there's a flood.
Okay.
It's the biggest puddle. Now this is an earthquake.
Okay. Tell me about the earthquake.
Well, in the ground, there are plates.
Yeah.
And then...
Like plates you eat off of?
No, I don't know how to draw these plates. I'm just drawing them.
Oh, no, you're drawing them great.
But then these plates, see how they're next to each other?
Uh-huh.
That one's turning. It's twisting like that, so it makes an earthquake.
Oh, wow.
The place rumbles. How come it makes an earthquake when just they slide?
Well, they're really big, and they're moving, and it's hard to stop them. So when they move, they slip. And because they're so big, and we're all sitting on them, we shake with them.
So we shake. So that's why the earth shakes.
Yeah, you've been in an earthquake.
How come it breaks apart?
It just, when you have such a big, huge piece of rock that's shaking and moving, it can't take all the shaking, so it cracks.
Oh.
So tell me some more.
And I believe it ends to the center of the earth.
Good, yeah.
Yep, to the core. I would love that. I would put on like a lava-proof suit, and guess what?
What?
I would like get a rope, and I would climb down.
Yeah.
I'll go to the core. What if I get a huge bag and steal the core and then I put it up?
If you stole the core and brought it up, it'd be pretty hot.
How come?
Because the core's really hot.
But what will happen to Earth?
I don't know. It might lose its magnetic poles.
Or maybe the whole thing would rumble and all the buildings would fall down and all the people would be dead. So that would be a very bad thing.
Yeah.
Now this is how a tornado works. You know a lot about tornadoes because...
Not as much as you.
Yeah. Now these ones are on water.
Mm-hmm. What's it called when a tornado's over the water?
It's called a water spout.
Oh.
It's blue.
Oh, yeah?
Because the water, it's so deep that it turns blue. And when all the water goes up, and that means there's a little light in it about how in a tornado. So that's called a water spout. Now, inside a tornado, lots of people looked out, but some people looked inside. There's little mini tornadoes in there.
There is?
Yeah. Little mini tornadoes. See, when you're inside a tornado and you look up and you open your shelter and you look out, when the tornado is on there, then that means you'll see the insides. Some people have seen the insides of tornadoes. I said wind or / overflow.
Okay.
Earthquake. I missed.
Can you tell me about volcanoes?
Sure. On the back.
Here, why don't you just use a new piece of paper?
Sure, I'll use a new piece.
Okay.
Earthquakes. I'll set it right here next to that.
Perfect.
Earthquakes. Plates. Flip. Now, if you forget all about it, I'll hang that on your wall, and then you'll look, and you'll say like, flood, wind overflow, earthquake, plate slip.
Okay.
Now tornadoes. Water / sand.
That's pretty cool.
Now I'm going to teach you about volcanoes.
Okay.
They're the tallest mountains on Earth,
Mm-hmm.
but they have a hole. See, this is a little space.
Okay.
But the lava, it's at the bottom. Down here. So, when it rises, that means it's going up. Higher and higher. It's rising, it's getting hotter and hotter. Until, kaboom. Where the lava, since it explodes, the lava, it comes down and it bumbles and tumbles real far down until it comes on land and it's like destroying the earth.
Wow.
Because of how hot it is, it makes trees, plants go, and it kills animals.
Oh no.
Because the core is harder than anything. So, watch out, hot volcano. Now, as the lava goes up, it gets hotter.
It gets hotter as it goes up?
Mm-hmm. So this is hot, hotter, kind of hot, hottest, very hot, super hot, ridiculous hot, burning hot.
Wow.
Kaboom.
Ridiculously hot. I like that.
Ridiculously means almost as hot as the core.
Uh-huh.
Core hot.
Kaboom hot.
Yep. Now, since because there's rocks right at the top. There's
Okay.
rocks going to the bottom. And so, as the kaboom, it makes the rocks fly and it makes them fire rocks falling down.
Oh, I bet you have to get out of the way when those fall. What happens if those hit you?
If it hits the ground,
What if it hits me?
look, guess what? It makes a huge explode.
Yeah.
Explode into little pieces of rocks. Now I'm going to teach you about meteors.
Okay.
Now, snow. See? Planet Earth,
Yes.
it's our home.
Mm-hmm.
It has a magnet where everything sticks to it. And it spins around it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, all the lands, there's oceans that are sticky sometimes,
Okay.
but not up north. Now see? Now, it covers land. It covers land. So, like, the ones that are in the middle of the earth, that means there's hurricanes there, but the ones that stick to the rounding,
Mm-hmm.
like us, and we're okay. Now, all of this is really true about the oceans and the waters.
Okay.
The atmosphere has a little ball around it.
Mm-hmm.
A big, huge ball. That makes everything spin. I'm just going to do all the arrows until I'm done coloring my ocean. It's really long. How do you like my Earth?
I loved your Earth.
I said Earths, not. It's easy to draw a planet. You just draw a circle. It's hard. It's really hard to draw Earth.
Mm-hmm.
You have to make the land, and then you have to make the huge oceans.
Yep.
There. Now everything spins around it.
Okay, Harry, I gotta stop taking the video now. Thank you for explaining that to me.
Well, Dad,
I'm gonna keep watching, but I gotta turn off the video.
Oh, yeah, you better turn off that video. Oh, you're gonna love that video.